Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has announced his 23-man squad that will face Panama in 2 upcoming friendlies. So here are the players that Hugo Broos has called to his squad. Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Ronaldo Lena, Khudiso Mudau, Thabang Mathuludi, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiva, Khulumani Ndamane, Ime Ocon, Samkelo Kabini, and Mbegezeli Mbokazi. Teboho Mokoena, Jaden Adams, Talente Mbatha, Pepelo Stole, Oswina Police, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Lyle Foster, Bongoku Hlongwane, Relebohile Mufokeng, Themba Zwane, Thapelo Maseko. Those are the 23 players that Hugo Broos has called to his squad. And here are 15 players who didn't make the cut. It's Sipho Chain, Patrick Maswangani, Yanele Mbuthuma, Kamohelo Sibilibili, Dino van Rooyen, Thapelo Morena, Ikram Reyners, Mohau Nkotha, Darren Johnson, Oluwethu Makhanya, Vuyo Letlapa, Tylon Smith, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Mthetheli Mthiyane, and Luke Leroux. Of all the players that have been omitted, everyone is talking about Sipho Chain, that how come Sipho Chain didn't make the cut. Here's what Hugo Broos says regarding Sipho Chain. Everybody has to be worried when they don't perform. I don't say that Sipho is not performing, but everyone has to be worried. It's not a charity. It's something that is very serious. So that's his thought on not selecting Sipho Chain. And he also defended selecting Nkosinathi Sibisi. He says, being under pressure because you miss a penalty is the most ridiculous thing you can imagine. Because all those who are afraid to kick it were already in the dressing room. He took his responsibility as the captain of Pirates. Okay, he missed it. He's not the first player to miss a penalty. Cape Verde missed 5 times against us. So it was really ridiculous and shows again what social media is. It's trash. It's just trash. When you put someone under pressure and you criticize him because he missed a penalty, then you don't know anything about football. Those are some scathing words from Hugo Broos. Yeah, and another player who has missed out, it's Ikram Reyners. I don't know, it seems like he's not the favorite of Hugo Broos because he's been on fire. He's the reason why Mamelodi Sundowns has been scoring so many goals lately. However, he didn't call him. And he says that when it comes to Thapelo Morena, he's injured, and also Siyabonga Ngezana is also injured, and Brendan Peterson is injured. He says they would have made the cut, those players, if they weren't injured. So now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this squad that Hugo Broos has called? Are you pleased with it? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.